Hello, friends. Welcome to DIYs with Nosh. I'm back again, and this time I'm participating in this challenge, which is called Keep It Simple Sunday, hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY and co hosted by Maria Kuna DIY. Let's start. My project is a wall art for which I have cut a large circular shape from this single corrugated cardboard. I'm also going to be using this Dollar Tree contact paper, which has a light wood design, while the other has a marble look or design. So the first step is that I have already attached here, adhere it, because it's contact paper, so it's self-adhesive. Removing the bubbles, and now I'll be placing the marble contact paper. Although I was very pleased with the final look of this project, but if I were to repeat this project, perhaps I would have used double corrugated cardboard, or maybe even two double corrugated cardboard sheets as the backing, because I think I should have made it more thick. That would have been best. Anyway, so right now I'm just cutting slits, small slits in the contact paper, and then I will be attaching that. That way what happens is that you don't get to see the edge of the cardboard when you attach it. And later on, if you wish, you could actually place another sheet on top of it. So I had this family sign, which I think I got from Dollar Tree or Dollarama, I'm not sure. And what I've done is I've given it two coats of dabbing black chalk paint on it. This is how it looks right now, but I was not happy with the look. I felt marble with a dark brown wood grain design would be more appealing, more modern looking. So I did change it. I just cut another sheet of the dark brown sheet and contact paper, and I've applied that. Not a lot of I didn't have to make any lots of change in this. I just had to attach it over the brown previous one, and this time I made it slightly larger. Again, just cutting it up and cutting up the side slits and adhering it, and that's it. And now I'm going to start the fun part, which is embellishing. You see, that's the reason I had painted the family sign as black, because it would really kind of pop out against the marble. These flowers I got from Dollar Tree, and also the fern leaves. So I'm going to attach the family galvanized sign with some hot glue. And then I just kept deciding. I couldn't decide if I should place the flowers in which way. The traditional one would be where you had the previous one, which is the ferns on both sides and the flowers in the middle, but I decided to kind of put two ferns on the side and then the flowers on the right side. So yeah, I'll be attaching a clip over their clothespin so that it adheres properly. I absolutely love these pink flowers. They're so pretty. Now, if you wish to hang this wall art, you just need to make a loop with some twine and hot glue it to the back of this plug. It's that easy. I think overall this project was super easy. It doesn't get easier than this, really. If you like this video and this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. There's a like button, so you can just press that. And if you if you would like to, you can also subscribe to my channel. I'd love if you would do that. um, Leave me a comment, let me know how you found this project. Thank you for visiting me today, friends. Bye bye.